Okay, this has taken me quite a while. Everything has been emptied out into boxes here, and yes, it's night. Sorry about that. But I thought you guys might want to see this. I'm going to take out all the foundation support here just to knock this thing down. Oh, let me get a little stem here. And then I'm going to do a fast forward build on this. Looks like I might have to give it a little help. Because it seems to be doing a little standing on its own here. Why is it? Oh, I got supports right there. You gotta be kidding me. These little supports are holding this thing up. Wow, that whole one side just went. You wouldn't believe how many hours it took me to build this. Gone in no time flat. Do I have any empty boxes left? Yeah. I have to do so much rebuilding. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward all this. This way you guys do not have to deal with it. Because it is going to be a very long process. Oh god, I got a bunch of empties. But I got to pick up all this, and we're going to start with a stone foundation. Okay, that is the basic start I'm going to do. It's a 10 by 10, and I moved it more towards the boars, and of course, fog moves in. It's going to be multiple floors, and I know this is not exactly our best location to be. And I don't know, I think I'm going to incorporate all the portals inside because I want to use all this land back here. Wow, that was a big hesitation. All this land back here for the garden. I really should have harvested all these turnips and re-rotated them, but because I'm going to have each crafting station in its own location. I just wish it gave us more stuff for this. For the stone, this is all the designs we have, and the walls are, I mean, that's what we have for walls. It does take up a lot of interior space compared to if we use these walls. But these walls, if you see where they line up, they snap right on the edge. It's hard to see because it's dark out. Which I don't like the idea they snap on the edge. Where these, they snap in line. And using these walls, we're going to lose like a full block. And we still have to, like when we go to do the roofing, go with this type of roof. And it doesn't really, oh yeah, it does snap into that. Leaves a little lip there too. Wonder if we could, does this snap onto that? No, it don't, not really. Because what I was actually hoping to do was, and I wonder if I can. Yeah, I can. I can snap that there like so. And it's really getting dark. Oh, come on. It doesn't want to jump while I'm in here. There you go. I wanted to put that on the outside. And have a wood interior. Oh, that's not bad. Couple spots it'll bleed through, but that's not bad. We'll have the wood interior. And we can have the stone on the outside. That don't look too bad. But let me go ahead and sleep and get us some daylight. I did set this up over here, and it does work. It's a little funky, but it works. As long as it's not raining, it works. We only get a comfort 4 compared to our comfort 10 that we had. But yeah, I think this might not be too bad. I sort of like it like that. I mean, I'm going to have to get a hell of a lot more stone. That portal's going to be in my way, isn't it? Yes, it is. That's the wall we're using. Turn it this way. I wonder if I can get it all the way to the... Okay, I was blocking it. Let's see, did that actually... Oh yeah, it did. Oh, it went into that wall a little bit. Well, that's not bad at all. Then we'll have our wooden interior. And our stone outside. Don't go through the portal. Okay. Where does that portal go? Oh, that's the one that goes to the Black Forest. And then so we can break up the... Oh no, these are shorter. I would have to use this way. But I'll probably only do these for maybe the first couple because we're going to go through a hell of a lot of stone. That stone is a pain in the butt to get. But yeah, I'm going to have to figure out exactly what I want to get done here. Where I want a doorway. I know I'm going to want a door over here, getting that way. And it's really not as big as I would like it. But it's going to have to do. And I don't know why I was covering all the forges, because they really don't need to be covered. But I'm going to get this first. Since I got you guys here, I'll get the first layer of stone around. We'll figure out a doorway. We're going to get a doorway down here. We got stairs, right? Oh, that's not bad looking. So we'll have stairs coming down here. And I'm going to put stairs over here for the piggies. Now I got to be inside the... Oh, come in. Come on. Alright. And I think that's... Oops. That's the length of... Oh, no. We're going to have to do it in line with this. Oh, I was. Or was I? No, it cut itself off. I'm gonna have to make another one of them. No, drop down. I'm gonna have to make another stone thingy. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna do it the right way. Oh, missing requirements. I think I need some stone. Well, I'm starting to run out of stone. Alright, we'll drop a little wood in there too. No, I need to... Too much weight? Oh, no problem. I'm not going far. I'm going to move the stone cutter bench inside. Both of them. It should give us the reach all the way around. Come on, drop down, drop down. Oh, I'm in the way. Well, you're going to be a pain, aren't you? No, not all the way down there. That's the right spot. Yeah, I guess so. Doesn't look right. I guess so. Yeah, see, there's no... Oh, I wonder what this is. How about this? Yeah, see, that's... I mean, that'll work. This is going, like, all the way down there. But that will work. That won't work for here. You gotta have the full one for here. No, no. Oh, no. That's on the outside. I might have to dig that out to get the drop. Yeah. I got a pick on me? Yeah, I do. I don't want to hit it too many times. Oh yeah, one shot. Beautiful. Yeah, I might have to move that over one. Oh, yeah, look at that. That's the problem. That's why that other one looked weird. I wonder, can I back that up to, like, there? I don't care if it overlaps into the other one. Yeah, that'll look better. This is going to be in the way. Fine, move it. Yeah, because that'll look better. Yep. Now that I know I can overlap them. Come on, drop down. You're going to make me hit it with the pick, aren't you? Come on. Fine, I'll hit it with the pick. You only get one hit. One hit. That's all you get. You're going to be a pain in the sphincter, aren't you? Oh, you know what? I want to move one of those guys in. Let's move you inside. Did I pick you up? Yep. Cool. Let's see. That should get everything. Yeah, it reaches all the way over here now. Yeah, see, I'm smarter than the average knucklehead. Yeah, I'm on my way. Is that right? Yeah, I gotta fix this one. I'll leave it. So it has that little lip there on the edge. It's alright. Just gives it character. Alright, all this wood's gotta move. It's in the way. Yeah, both of you are gonna make me hit it. When was that in? No. Beautiful. Alright. That is the first layer going around. I think it's going to look awesome. We'll have a little bit bigger base, 2-story. And I'll move all the forges against the wall. Maybe get some windows in here. But the second floor, I'm going to probably do like a balcony. A stone balcony around it. And if it's high enough, we could just stand up there and shoot the trolls. If we get any trolls. I haven't seen trolls attack in the longest time. Alright, let's move that other one in here. Actually, I really should put a door on all the sides, but did we get everything? No, we didn't. Oh, we're gonna be heavy. Can we make it? No, we can't. Oh, that ain't gonna help us for stam. For that? Nope, that ain't gonna help us with stam either. All we gotta do is get upstairs. Come on, Jimo, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. I think I can, I think I can, I think I can. I made it! Yay! Okay, we should be able to build anywhere now in here. Alright, let's get the second layer of walls. I don't know if I'm going to go 2 or 3. Oh, that is the one we want. Oh, that's where our problem might be lying. Oh no, actually, with that little overlap thing. Oh, you're going to overlap that far? Hmm. Come on, need to get up. Need to get up. Need to get up. Get rid of that so I can see. No. Because my only other option would be these, and that would look stupid. Alright, it worked. I need you to overlap too. No, no, no. Come on. You have to overlap. It's a good place for a window. Actually, it's not a bad idea. Nope, never mind. Yeah, like I said, I'm not really too fond of windows. Plus, if we're going to have storage down here, I don't know if we're going to have windows. It's going to be right on the same seam, isn't it? Let's see, that one don't really have a seam. Well, actually, what's my jump at? It's only at 38. Much things that I'm jumping away from. I'm only at 38. Alright, can we overlap into that? Yep. Good. Now our seam is split. Not that it makes a difference, just mainly to me. Missing requirements. Running low on stone. Oh, that's actually going to be a big doorway, isn't it? Oh no, that's not where it goes either. Oof. Oh, I gotta go get stone. Boy, that is set back. Oh, we're getting lower. Is that Greyland in here? How much wood do I have on me? How do I keep getting so much wood on me? Why does that look... Oh, almost looked like we couldn't get in. Now, what I was thinking is I got these small ones. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. These are small ones. But can we get in and out? Hey! We got a little lentil there. Yeah, but how is that going to look though on wood? I just broke my hammer again. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, it'll be wood the rest of the way inside. And I think that's as high up as I'm going in stone. I don't know. I might put some like pillars in there. This is the only workbench that's covered. I thought the other ones were. Actually, I think that other one over there is... Oh, this one's covered. Isn't it? Oh yeah, this one's completely covered. Hang on. Am I getting stuck going in now? But that's not bad at all. Let's finish the stone up. I really need to upgrade the hammer. I think these are all tier 1 hammers. And I don't know, I might change up to a window or two. Definitely does let good amount of light in then. Oh, this one's gonna be a problem and a pain. Because we gotta try and squeeze this one all the way back there. I don't know if I can do that. What about a pillar? How big is a pillar? No. That look janky? Yeah, it does. What about these little ones? Same thing. Don't look that good. Come on, slide in like the other ones. Alright, I need to get on top here. I wish it was an easy way of maneuvering these. I don't know how I got the other ones. Just pure luck, I guess. Oh man. Plus I want to try and move the stairs over. Oh, let's try doing this. Oh, you just don't want to go on there. Okay, give me the stone that's there. Try it from the other way then. Oh, you were sliding. Come on. Oh, it's a pain in the ass. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'm not going to torture you guys. I'll just finish up over here and I will figure out something for there. This one's going to be the same thing. Yeah, I'll figure this out. I'm not going to torture you guys. But that's pretty much the way it's going to go. I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do with getting the peak of the roof because it's going to be fairly high. I'm probably going to go with the lower pitch, the 26, instead of the 45. Because this way the pitch won't be so high and it'll come together. I don't know why I keep hitting that button. It'll come together a lot quicker. But I hope you guys enjoyed this with our new build with our castle fortress. And as always, enjoy whatever games you guys play. I always enjoy all mine. And I hope to catch you on next episode of Valheim Mistlands. This is Gmo signing out for now. Until next time. Alrighty. Bye-bye. And I'll catch you on the next one. Alrighty.